Some things are made of only one cell. They are blank. Cells, multicellular, unicellular, cellular. Some things are made of more than one cell. They are blank. Cells, multicellular, unicellular, cellular. The outer covering of all cells is called the blank. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria. The command center of the cell is the blank. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria. Blank is the substance that fills the cells and contains chemicals that help the cell stay alive. Nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria.